Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special for you. It's that time of the year again, and you know what that means: Black Friday deals. But not just any deals, we've got the lowdown on 5 incredible MacBooks that are about to redefine your computing experience. Buckle up, because this is the ultimate Black Friday MacBook bonanza. First up, we have the Apple MacBook Air M1. Sleek, lightweight, and packing a punch with the powerful M1 chip. This beauty is perfect for the on-the-go professional or student who needs performance without compromise. And guess what? It's part of our Black Friday deal. Number 2, MacBook Pro 13-inch M2. But that's not all. Feast your eyes on the Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch with the groundbreaking M2 chip. If you're into serious productivity, photo or video editing, this one's your go-to. And yes, it's on the Black Friday radar too. Number 3, MacBook Pro 14-inch M1 Pro. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse, the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M1 Pro chip. This is a creator's dream machine. Whether you're into graphic design, music production, or 3D rendering, the M1 Pro has got your back. And yes, it's part of our Black Friday extravaganza. Number 4, MacBook Pro 16-inch M1 Max. Brace yourselves, because we're taking it up a notch. The Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch with the M1 Max chip. This monster is built for the most demanding tasks. Gaming, 8,000 video editing, you name it. And the best part? You can snag it at an unbelievable Black Friday price. Number 5, MacBook Air M2. And last, but certainly not least, we've got a sneak peek into the future, the MacBook Air M2. We can't spill all the details just yet, but trust me, it's going to be a game changer. Stay tuned for this one. There you have it, folks. The ultimate Black Friday MacBook bonanza. These deals are flying off the shelves, so don't waste any time. Check the links in the description to grab yours before it's too late. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Until next time, happy shopping and teching. See you in the next one.